Reality check. You just learned how to ask questions. So you walk up to your future boss and say, "From where are you?" You think you sound correct. You actually sound like a textbook from 1985. Let's fix it. Gyanu's in the house. Ready to upgrade your English from bookish to brilliant? Professor Foundation Builder just gave you the beautiful system of inversion.
Yesterday, you found your voice. Today, you will learn the secret to unlocking the voices of others.
It's a masterpiece of logic. But he forgot to give you the cheat codes that separate learners from legends. He gave you the rules. I give you the results. Hack number 1. The from where blunder. Stop saying it. It's clunky. Global professionals, cool people, your future boss. They all say, "Where are you from?" It's smoother, faster, and more confident. Do it. Hack number 2. The super fast answer. Someone asks, "Is she the manager?" Don't say, "Yes, she is the manager." Boring. For speed and fluency, just say, "Yes, she is," or "No, she isn't." It'll make you sound natural, not like a robot. Done. That's the difference between being correct and being a confident communicator. That's the Gyanu Effect. Your turn, genius. In the comments, ask me a question using is or are. I'll give you the super fast answer. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Ujjwal Bhavishya. You can describe yourself and ask about others. But can you describe the world? Ready to paint pictures with your words? The next level is coming. Boom. And that's how legends evolve.